It's upgrade time. We're going to be installing another disconnect for a wind turbine system. Stay tuned.
Thank you for tuning in to American Preppers XJ for all your tips and tricks and survival and fallout needs. Please feel free to give me a comment and subscribe to this channel. Please stay tuned.
That's all right. Now when you start putting this in, you really want to label your disconnect box. So this might be my positive side, this will be my negative side. So when I wire it up, I know what side's what. Because I have, when I ran out of the wires, I just bought a 500-foot spool and of red wire. So all my lines are red, but I have them labeled, you know. So this one here's my ground, this is my positive. Now stripping the 8-gauge wire is pretty easy. You know, it's you got your pair of pliers or whatever you gotta strip it with, and bite around it a couple times, then peel it off. Now, I'm gonna try to decide on how big my wind turbine is gonna be. I'm trying to decide if I want a 5-blade or a 6-blade wind turbine. Now on eBay they have them for they have 400-watt wind turbines. Hey, thank you for watching this short video of how to install a AC disconnect switch for your wind turbine system. You will be learning with me how to install a wind turbine system with your solar system. I'm new at this. I currently have a solar system right now. It's small, it's only 400 watts. I will be doing how-to videos and other videos on how to install your wind turbine system. So please subscribe to this channel for further up-to-date videos, and please click the bell icon in the left-hand corner for notifications. Thank you for watching this video.